Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin editing, and today we're going to show you how you can make vector button for website or maybe social media or maybe for UI design in Adobe Illustrator. So let's make a rounded rectangle tool and a rounded rectangle. Make sure the color is light green and there is no stroke, and make sure it's in the middle. Now I'm going to make it rounded. It's pretty big. Let's make it a little smaller. Okay, let's start this from the start. Yeah, pretty much it. Now copy this one and paste another, and select these two. Go to the Pathfinder shape builder tool and press Alt, click here. So this is a narrow part that will be used as shadow. Use it darker green and place it over here, so it's kind of shadow now. Lock this layer, make another layer and type the button. Maybe subscribe. Change the font. Maybe change the color. This looks good. So this is a pretty basic way of making a button. We can make a more not rounded button. We can go for the rectangle tool and make this one. Maybe use yellow color this time. Copy it, paste another one. Go for shape builder tool, press Alt, delete. We are going to use this one as shadow. So pretty much this is how you can make vector buttons in Adobe Illustrator. It is very easy, and you can always add more texture and shadow and more depth into it. So I hope this is a useful tutorial for you. See you in the next one.